Hello everyone, my name is Abdulaziz and today we're gonna build this new app, Links app. In case this is your first time visiting this channel, please make sure to subscribe. Here we have the user interface of the app, so we only have few things here. Here at the top we have this number of added links, so it will display the number of links you have so far. In case you want to add a new link, all you have to do just click on this button, on this floating button, and then add the title and the URL itself. And for some reason, if you want to remove this link from the list, all you have to do just clicking on this trash can icon, and that's all about this app. However, later I will build more complicated apps. Therefore, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give like, because this will motivate me to put more effort in building new apps. That's it. See you in the next one.